Let's move on to the next module of this chapter. In this module, we learn a relationship between AN and SN. Based on this relationship, there is a sum, right, which we need to learn. Let's understand the relationship, and then in the next module, we will learn the sum. Okay, very, very important. Let's see. Now, we all know that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is an AP, where A1 is equal to 1, A2 is 3, A3 is 5, and so on, right? If I ask you a question, what is S1? You will say S1 is the sum of the first term, which is nothing but the first term itself, that is 1, right? What is S2? S2 is the sum of first two terms, that's 1 plus 3, right? A1 plus A2. Similarly, what is S3 here? 1 plus 3 plus 5, the sum of first three terms. What is S4 here? The sum of first four terms, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, right? Now that 1, S1 is equal to 1, that 1 is nothing but the first term. So we come to a conclusion that S1 is equal to A1 or A1 is equal to S1. That's the first relation, right? Similarly, S2 is equal to A1 plus A2, S3 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3, S4 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, the sum of first four terms. And as we know, Sn is nothing but the sum of first n terms, right? Now let's see what is the relationship that I'm talking about. In S2, which is basically A1 plus A2, A1 is nothing but S1, right? In the first line you can see S1 is A1 or A1 is S1. So let us replace A1 by S1, and what we get is S2 is equal to S1 plus A2. Clear? Similarly, S3 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus 3. Now that A1 plus A2 is nothing but S2, right? So you can write this as S2 plus A3, right? S4 is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. So that A1 plus A2 plus A3 can be replaced by S3. A1 plus A2 plus A3 is S3. So it is S3 plus A4. Is this thing clear so far? So S1 is equal to A1. S2 is equal to S1 plus A2. S3 is equal to S2 plus A3. And S4 is equal to S3 plus A4. Clear so far? Now let's see the relationship. S1 is equal to A1. So we say that A1 is equal to S1. S2 is equal to S1 plus A2. Shift S1 to the other side, you get A2 is equal to S2 minus S1, right? S1 goes to the other side, it becomes minus S1. So A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. Next line, what will be A3? S2 goes to the other side. A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. And what will be A4? S4 minus S3. So that's the relationship between A1 and S1 or A2 or S2 or whatever. This is the relationship between AN and SN, right? So A1 is equal to S1, A2 is equal to S2 minus S1, A3, S3 minus S2, A4, S4 minus S3, A10, S10 minus S9. Very, very simple, right?